Hi everyone! I have tried so many Lakme lipsticks over the years, and today I'm here with Lakme to show you my ultimate picks for the season. Your go-to summer lip wardrobe. Hi, I'm Prakriti, and today I'm walking you through the ultimate summer lip wardrobe designed just for medium Indian skin tones. Whether you need a stay all day matte or a glow-boosting glam finish, I've got you covered. Now, why exactly do you need a lip wardrobe? Think of your lipsticks like outfits. One shade and texture won't cut it. Also, summer calls for smart picks. Hydrating mattes, pigment-packed bullets, and glosses that glow without slipping. And today's lineup is all Lakme because it's not just color, it's care and performance. Let's start with the power mattes. I have the Lakme 9 to 5 Higher Matte Liquid Lip. This is a very hydrating matte liquid lipstick. I have got the shade Boss Lady Brick over here. This is a must-carry shade right now. It's bright, perfect for summers. Another shade that I absolutely love is called Monday Mocha. Plus, I've got medium skin and I feel like this shade just gets it. Let your lips do the talking in the boardroom, and guess what? This is iced coffee proof. And thankfully, it holds up through the sweat too. Here are a few more shades that look amazing on my skin tone from the Lakme 9 to 5 Higher Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Now for the shadi invites that you just can't skip, this is your moment. Say hello to Scarlet Rose. It's a bold pigment bullet with a blurring effect, perfect for long events where you need impact and comfort. No matter the season, red always stays sexy. And this shade Scarlet Rose is that kind of red for me. Another shade that I love is Brick Bloom. These are my two forever picks. Now here's how you transform your look. I've been obsessed with the shade all day, but for a quick glam upgrade, I'm going to top it off with the Lakme Lip Glaze. I'm using the shade Espresso Martini in Lakme Lip Glaze to top off the matte shade. This way you start matte, end glam. One base shade can give you endless moods. On the days I want to experiment or play a little, I use these two shades. Starting with Powerhouse Plum from the Lakme 9 to 5 Higher Matte Lipsticks, I'm outlining my lips to build depth and shape. Keep the color focused on the outer edges, don't fill in the center just yet. Next, I'm applying Payday Pink right to the middle of the lips. Use your fingertips or a brush to gently blend the edges where the colors meet. This technique gives a natural ombre effect that makes your lips look fuller. Now these lipsticks aren't just pretty, they stay on, feel fresh and last through everything summer throws at you. Now that I've shared my summer lip favorites, I'd love to know yours. Tell me your go-to shade and when you love to wear it. And if you've got any questions or need more makeup inspo, drop them below. Team Lakme and I will be tuning in, so stay bold, stay beautiful, stay unapologetically you. See you next time.